Landicho goes back to Maliwanag. Rebound was there. Back row attack. Defense still there for FEU. Landicho to Maliwanag once more. Maliwanag has served. A good pass there. Another activation from the back row. But Lorayes will be. Maliwanag continues to serve. Good pass. Middle activation there. Escobar will serve. Perfect pass. Rebound from UST. A tip. But Coronel was there. Middle. Attack. High set. And Lorayes will get a clean attack. Oof. Coronel bump set. Great dig. And Escobar will score to start. Good pass. Landicho will go to Maliwanag from the back row. Exchanging points. Good pass from Escobar. A reverse set. Blockers were there. UST will try again. And that time, Julian Red. Good pass from Ramos. This time, Maliwanag's on the front row. Escobar off speed there. Maliwanag will take that one. Ramos! Bullet straight to the court. Serving 9. Ramos has been the target in the first ball. Maliwanag! And Lorayes could not. Strong serve there. Faulty passing, so they give away a chance ball. Back row activation to Ramos. And UST not ready. Amaneo with a better pass this time. Landicho. Ooh. Manlapas. Escobar will serve. Landicho to Axel. And Axel will score. Great quality of volleyball so far. Landicho right to the middle. De Vera with Escobar with a good pass. Combination play will work for UST. Abalos having their right. Out of system there, but Maliwanag going down the... And Ron De Vera will get a service ace to secure. Continues to serve. Strong serve there, but a stable pass from Ramos. Maliwanag will try again. Blockers were there. Landicho to the back row to Ramos. That high pass from Ramos. Landicho to Manlapas. To close the gap. Perfect pass. And middle activation. Defense was there. Ramos out of system. But UST. Manlapas safe serve. Lorayes. He got the dig. And the wet will serve. Good pass from Amaneo. Back row. But this time, FEU. Pass from Escobar. Lorayes will try. Good pass from Coronel. Maliwanag. A dig from Escobar. He will attack. Defense was there for FEU. Ramos will try. And that time, Gabriel letting that one go. Abalos. Good pass from Coronel. And Manlapas. De Vera. Straight to Escobar. Out of system there, but a good set. Landicho, reverse set to Maliwanag. Oh, can't leave Maliwanag. Be a confidence booster here for FEU. Abalos, combination play, soft touch. Defense was there, but they give away a chance ball. Can UST take advantage? Abalos, combination play to Lorayes was blocked. Good pass from Coronel. Reverse set to Maliwanag. Again, you've got to put up. Amaneo with that good dig. Good pass rather. And MJ Hul. Good pass. Manlapas. What a play there coming from good dig from Escobar. Escobar will attack. A lot of power. Another good pass. Maliwanag. Yes, he will get that point when FEU needs a... That's the setter. He will be the playmaker right now. Bump set to Escobar. Defense was there. Ramos. Yes! Another loose block. Escobar overpass. Ramos will take advantage of that regalo. Good pass from Ramos. And a 1-2 play from Bricks Landicho. Good pass from Amaneo. Ooh, reverse set won't work. Chance ball for FEU. Landicho to Ramos with a tip. And right now. Oof, and a service ace to get this time a perfect pass. And who else will UST go to but Rainier Lorayes? Clearly feeling the pressure right now. Another ace there coming from Bricks Land. Maliwanag on the front row. Will he get this set? No, middle there, and that works for FE. Third set coming up next. Good pass there. Back row to Lorayes. No go that time. They will give away a chance ball. Abalos to Escobar. Escobar. That right pin of FEU. Ramos will continue to serve. And he will get that ace. Well calculated. Out of system pass, but a good set coming from Landicho. Maliwanag won't be stopped. De Vera. Will he get that service ace? No. UST keeps this rally alive. A missed contact, but Maliwanag will try. Amaneo was there. Another chance for FEU. Maliwanag again. And just like Lara. Good serve. Coronel has been stable as a libero. Manlapas blocked that time. Stable passing from Escobar. Lorayes, coverage was there. Lorayes will try again. And this time squeezing. Very tight set we're having here. Abalos back to Lorayes. No blockers there. Ramos with that pass. Landicho back to Ramos. Another soft touch. Ramos with that. Amaneo with the perfect pass. And that's what they get. Abalos having the chance to set has been. Landicho back to Manlapas. That won't be. Safe serve. Abalos. Ooh. Capuno will be blocked. Abalos right in the middle. And Gabriel gets Rainier Lorayes. Straight to Coronel. Landicho. Ramos. Clean as attack. So Ramos with a good pass. And another good hit coming from Ramos. And staying undefeated. Escobar with that pass. Lorayes. Blockers were there. Good serve coming from Escobar. Carlos Escobar. Good pass there. Manlapas. Amaneo with a dig. But they give away a chance ball. Maliwanag. Landicho will go to Axel. And FEU will this point. Good pass from Escobar. Lorayas from the back row. But blockers were there. Good pass from Manlapas. Maliwanag from the back row. And he will be blocked. Respond. Safe serve. Ramos will take that one. Landicho back to Ramos. And Ramos, the leading scorer, FEU, will end this match.